Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Senior BJP leader Narendra Modi will take oath as the Prime Minister of India today evening for the third consecutive term. Union Education Ministry sets up 4-member committee to review grace mark given to more than 1,500 candidates in NEET undergraduate exam. Distribution of cooking gas cylinders under the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana scheme begins in Rebhoi. More than 50 households avails the scheme. And in the T20 World Cup, India will take on Pakistan in New York this evening. The news in detail. The swearing-in ceremony for the new government at the centre will take place at Rashtrapati Bhavan today evening. Prime Minister-designate Narendra Modi will take oath as the Prime Minister of India for the third consecutive term. The swearing-in ceremony will be held at 7:15 p.m. in the evening. The President will administer the oath of office and secrecy to Modi and the members of Union Council of Ministers. Earlier, a meeting was held to discuss the portfolio's allotment. On Friday, Modi had met the President and staked claim to form the new government. The swearing-in ceremony will also be telecasted live in DD News. Union Education Ministry has constituted a 4-member panel to review grace marks awarded to more than 1,500 candidates in the National Eligibility Entrance Test Undergraduate NEET Undergraduate. Addressing a press conference, National Testing Agency NTA Director General Subodh Kumar Singh said that the panel will be headed by a former UPSC chairperson. Families living below the poverty line expressed great happiness as the Rebhoi Gas Agency began distributing cooking gas cylinders to beneficiaries under the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana scheme. Beneficiaries expressed their gratitude to the central government for implementing such beneficial schemes, which have significantly aided poor families across the country. So far, more than 50 households in Rebhoi district have availed the scheme.
Kipoi kanega kas PPL bagi apply connection kipoi armut sangut kuntahe namar kidan ni gitu kiba mi kerteng atau pokalis gitu kiba 4 mi gitu ki ka form joki keempat dan hane tang pakai ka bat ka kalis pat kadon de ka kerteng joki mar gitu ngin pak lek mi no tang office.
Shillong police is once again going to conduct a special drive against the reckless bikers in the city. In addition, a drive would also be conducted against wrong parking by people on roadsides. Informing this, East Khasi Hills SP Rituraj Ravi said that the crackdown would start from next week and police would act against the reckless riding, wrong parking and other traffic violations. The recent crackdown on reckless riding by police had received a positive response from the people who want a safe and secure road for everyone.
Endeavor is that there is safe driving on the streets of Shillong, on the roads of Shillong, and that people adhere to the laws, and that there is ease for commuters, for travelers, and there is safety on roads. We urge all the commuters, all the citizens to follow the law, to abide by the law, especially while driving, and to avoid rash and negligent driving, drunken driving.
Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh inaugurated the Cluster Development Fund project at Lom Simper in East Khasi Hills district. Speaking at the gathering, he appreciated the Raj South Simper for the initiatives of preserving the environment. He said there is no shortcut for development and there is no development that happens without cooperation from the society. A house belonging to Pinlang Kongsted of 25 Miles Village under Ranikor Civil Subdivision, Southwest Khasi Hills District was reduced to ashes by fire. According to the Sardar, Brabis Watlang, the incident took place at around 6 a.m. soon after Kongsted left home to visit his neighbors. The exact cause of the fire has not been determined yet. Southwest Khasi Hills District Administration has assured Maukarwat MLA Renington L. Tongkhar of working together with the Joint Action Committee on Social Organization JACSO, a conglomeration of different pressure groups and village authorities in Maukarwat area in the fight against drug menace in Southwest Khasi Hills District. In general, this was informed by Tongkhar after the meeting with the Additional Deputy Commissioner of Southwest Khasi Hills District.
Baru di jeng balang kita download agak terus ni agak terus tarik bagi yang bagi download ki resolution ya ki beng latho ilawan air ke jing tho mentah ket kum ke jing keren ke jing rai lang jo ki pajba terus ni bat ni community ba nak leng ke district administration kin sim ya ki action ki bade banle nak leng ke district administration la yo bani keren mene ki le su pia hi bat ni ai hi ki jing kolar bagi lang bar khoi la kalong nak district administration bat kila penpau ru ba nak lejo kiru penpau bagi dan kami kijing trelang nadu nak kiying kisem.
Maukarwat MLA Renington L. Tongkhar inaugurated the Free Skills Training Center at Maukarwat Rural Huts Hall, Maukarwat, Southwest Khasi Hills District. The center will offer free skill training to the youth on 7 courses free of cost. Tongkhar thanked the GCIIT Society for their vision to equip our youth with training.
Society kibala yo kene ke jinon kam jo kene kadong kathan jo ngi barkata kalong bagi persan na kilat ti baro ban ai kata ka skill ya kata ka training ya ki khna ikon samla ke jongi dawala ke jikir bok ke jikir weng hakane ka inaugural function ya ka bagi yo man sedang ya kene ka center ya kene ka jing ai training ya kene ka society ya ka bakan dala shisha barora ek jingkur khu ban chakuri ki khon samla jo kene ka dong kathan.
The civil hospital in Riyadh has recently undergone upgradation through the introduction of modern equipment such as laboratory machines, X-ray machines, endoscopy system, an ambulance, infection control machines, and a staff training conference hall. The upgrade of equipment was unveiled by Cabinet Minister and MLA of Riyadh Kerman Shillong and MLA of Sutanga Saipung. The enhancements are expected to improve healthcare delivery in the district. India and Pakistan are set for a high-stakes clash in the T20 World Cup today. Team India will face arch rivals Pakistan in their second Group A match at the Nassau County International Cricket Stadium in New York. The match is scheduled to start at 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time, with live streaming and telecast available in India. And now the weather report. The maximum temperature was 24.7 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 17.7 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 81%, while in the evening was 77%. The forecast: moderate rain is likely to occur at isolated places. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. Senior BJP leader Narendra Modi will take oath as the Prime Minister of India today evening for the 3rd consecutive term. Union Education Ministry sets up 4-member committee to review grace mark given to more than 1,500 candidates in NEET undergraduate exam. Distribution of cooking gas cylinders under the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana scheme begins in Ribhoi. More than 50 households availed the scheme. And in the T20 World Cup, India will take on Pakistan in New York this evening. That's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.